In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem your gold coins on Terabox so you can get rewards quickly and easily. Let's begin. Now, open Terabox on your mobile device, and then I want you to hover to the top left corner where you can see the three horizontal lines and click the option that says Benefits. Now, from here, you would notice that you have the ability to claim the initial gold right here. Click on it so you can redeem those gold coins and you can use it on many things here on Terabox. Now, if you click that button, there are terms and conditions about your redemption. Okay, so 1 day of premium, it's effective from the date of redemption and valid for 1 day. Okay, so you have only one option, which is, as you can see, you don't have enough gold to redeem for now. And you want to make sure to read and understand all the terms and conditions. Once you are happy, all you have to do is click the Get Gold. Remember, if you don't have enough coins yet, you can earn more by completing tasks or participating in Terabox activities. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to redeem gold coins on Terabox. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.